Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm reviewing an iPhone 13 series case by Torras. This is a slim fit case. This is the case that's designed for those of you who want to protect your phone, but you don't want to add bulk to your phone with the case. This is the case for you. It is slim fit. So let's pull it out there, and there you go. Very nice case. It looks really good. Nice matte finish. It's available in a variety of colors and also available for different sizes of the iPhone 13. This is the standard iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro Series case, and you can see how thin it is. This case is about 0.03 inches thick, 0.03, tiny, just a little bit, but it keeps it protected. Also, to add protection, you do have a very small bezel around the screen. So the bezel is about 1 millimeter thick, but it is there, so it does protect your screen. Also around the camera, you've got a 1.2 millimeter camera lip, so you want to protect that camera, all the camera lenses on the back of your iPhone, and this will do that, but very minimally because it's that slim fit. So it's gonna, once you've got this on your phone, it's still gonna be easy to slip in and out of your pocket. Because it's so slim, it doesn't add bulk to your phone, but it still offers protection. Now you have all the appropriate cutouts. You've got your volume buttons, toggle here, as well as the cutout for the Do Not Disturb button. On the other side, you've got your button for power, easy to access. And then on the bottom here, you've got the appropriate cutouts for your lightning port as well as your speakers. Everything that you need is here. And it is a really excellently designed slim fit case. It looks really nice, is available in a variety of colors, has that nice matte finish, so nice and smooth but easy to grip and hold on to, and again most importantly provides protection to your phone without adding a lot of bulk. If that's what you're looking for, then this slim fit case by Torras is definitely the case for you. A really excellent slim fit case by Torras.